Ready to live in style as you chase your dreams in the vibrant heart of Liverpool? Look no further than Rufford Road L6. This incredible student accommodation has everything you need for a lavish stay. With fully furnished 4- and 6-bedroom apartments that come equipped with all the essentials, you'll have the perfect place to rest and study. The shared kitchen is your canvas to cook up your favorite food, and the spacious rooms allow you to decorate just the way you like. Moreover, you will have access to on-street parking here so you can have the comfort of home. Conveniently located in the center of Liverpool, with a short, breezy ride to major universities like Liverpool International College and the University of Liverpool. But it's not just about studying. This place knows how to have fun. There are restaurants, bars, cafes, and pubs galore. Grab a quick bite at Green Chili's restaurant just a 2-minute walk away, or unwind at the Font Bar with your friends just a short 9-minute drive from your doorstep. So head to amberstudent.com and experience the best of Liverpool's student life at Rufford Road L6.